Being able to easily schedule out and plan a project is an important way for teams to make sure they are meeting the deadlines they have set, but also understand the resources they have available. Scheduling a project inside of FunctionFox is done in the traffic tab of both the Premier and in-house platforms. There are 3 different events that can be scheduled in the system. Actions, shown in yellow on the timeline and list views, milestones, which are blue, and finally meetings, which are gray. First, make sure you've selected the correct client and project in the top drop-downs, then click Add Items to open a new window and get started on building that schedule. Let's start with actions, which is how you build to-do lists for your team, but also track the workload of everyone involved. These are the deliverables that your team needs to get done. Select the task category the action falls into, then give the action a specific name. We now need to decide who we're going to assign this action to. To check who may be available to take on new work, you can open availability on the right-hand side. This will show you a snapshot of who on your team is available to take on the new work based on previous actions and meetings you have scheduled. Once you have selected the right person, pick your start and due dates with how long you believe the action should take. This does not have to be exact, but it is tied to availability to again give you the snapshot of the resources your team has. With that, add any final notes about the action, then click Save New. The action has now been saved and availability will update to reflect the new assignment and the employee's to-do list will have updated. Next, let's add a meeting. Select the meeting tab at the top, then get your date and times set up. Meetings, like actions, will update availability to again help you better understand the resources of your team. Put in a subject, what the meeting will be about, and select who needs to be there and click Save New. Perfect, we now have a meeting and can get to adding a milestone. Milestones are dates important to the project but not assigned to a member of the team. An agreement to have client approval done by a date would be an example. Type in the name of the milestone, what date it falls on, and any notes you want to add, then click Save New. You now have the start of a project schedule ready to go. Continue to add more to the current project or exit the item window and select what project you need to add next. If you have any questions about creating schedules or other features inside of FunctionFox, feel free to give us a shout so we can help you stay creative.